Hi guys, so in this video we are going to review all of the measurement attributes you have learned so far. So there'll be questions about length, weight, and height. I hope you enjoy the video and I hope you feel like it is easy peasy for you. Okay, let's get started. When Bob Shops, written by Carolyn Fleck. Illustrated by Jenny B. Harris. Bob wants the biggest bear. Which bear does Bob buy? So looking at all the bears, which one is going to be the biggest? Biggest. Look at the yellow. You see it here? It's showing us which one is the biggest. Bob needs a smaller size. Which shirt does Bob buy? So looking at the two shirts in back, which one is going to be smaller? Smaller. Look at where the yellow is. I hope that's what you picked. Bob wants the longest sandwich. Please don't forget the mayo. Which sandwich does Bob buy? So looking at the sandwiches, which one is the longest? Longest. Bob wants the largest umbrella. Which one will he buy? So looking at all three umbrellas, which one is going to be the largest? Largest. Look at the yellow. I hope that's the one you picked. Nice job with our review today, boys and girls. Make sure you watch the next video so you could learn more about capacity. Bye!